Breakfast basket ideas. Are you wondering how to put up a simple breakfast ideas? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple breakfast ideas for anyone in your family under 10 minutes. And let's dive right in. So I'm going to show you how to put together a very simple breakfast basket idea for anyone in your family. Just something little, put it all together, and that can be appreciated by someone in your family. So let's do this right now. You need just a basket. It can be a plastic basket, a little tote, or a little organizer. You can find this at your local store depending on theme you want the gift to represent. So I am going to use this little basket. You can be creative with things like this. And once you get your basket ready, get a kitchen towel. It's just so simple. You can fold this how you want, and then I'm just going to fold this in half, and I'm going to lay this in here just to give it a little cushion and make it a little presentable as well, like that. And then as you have this, now you can start putting whatever your breakfast basket idea looks like. So you just start depending on what you have. So with the theme that I'm going to use for this breakfast basket idea, this is really cappuccino. Nobody can resist this. So you gotta think about anything that somebody would like, So this is one of my themes that I'm going to add: cappuccino, French vanilla. I love this, and most people love this as well. So I'm going to add this just in here. And then once you get your cappuccino to go, you need something eatable, something the person can have put together and make a full breakfast out of it. So I'm going to add this chocolate cake. This is really good, amazing. It's going to be one of my themes. So let's add. So we want to make this basket complete. So we are adding organic green tea. So let's add that to the basket. Since we have some tea in there, we are going to add Splendor. This is sweetener. It's much better than the actual sugar that you will use. I use this a lot. So this will be something that you can add to your breakfast basket as well. And I want to spice this basket with cookie. So we are going to add cookie, just a simple cookie that anybody can eat. Simple thing. You don't want it to make it so complicated. So we are going to add this Goya cookie to this. I love these cookies. They are really yummy, good with tea or coffee or something like that. So we are going to add this to our basket. And I want something spreadable in the basket, something they can put it in anything they want. So I decided to put in almond butter creamy. This is really good. You can put this on a toast, on bread, like sandwich. So this is something else that they can have multiple use of. So this is also good to add. So our final thing that we are going to add to this breakfast basket idea is a mug. You cannot give a basket. You need to add something that they can use to enjoy the breakfast basket. So I decided to add this lovely mug to this, and I love the sense of humor that is on here. Every day is a weekend when you are retired, and this is a humor. It will put a smile on the person's face, whoever you want to give the basket to. So this is going to be an idea also. So let's add this to them, and this is going to be our final item to add in this. Make the basket complete. I'm just going to set this right on here, and as you can see, we have everything that we need for this basket. It looks amazing. We turn all this round. This is a full basket that you can give to anyone, and I'm sure they will enjoy it so much because it has everything in here to make a full breakfast. And this is lovely, really lovely. Look at this, amazing. So we are going to make this presentable and cute. Now we are going to make this very presentable. So I have cellophane bag that I'm going to do. Make sure that it's very tight. As you can see, just tight it and just get a little tape because we're gonna put that around it. Gonna make sure this is right on top of the handle. That's it. And then I'm gonna use the tape. And then I hope this is all put together nicely. And then I just use a little ribbon. Like this. Then I fold this into, and I just go around it. I'm going to tie this. Just like that. And I have another one, white one, go around it. So you can just make this the way you want, just a little bit creative to make it presentable. Then I'm gonna go. I'm going to tie this as well. Not all the way, just a little. And then, as you can see, we are done with our breakfast basket. It looks presentable. And that is your breakfast basket. See how simple and easy it is? You don't need much, it's just something little. And you just put it all together. Look at from the bottom. And this really presentable that you can give to anyone in your family. A friend, a brother, a cousin. This is so simple. Friends, so we just finished putting these breakfast basket ideas together in a very simple way, very simple items. You add your own creativity to it. You make it very presentable for anyone in your family, your mother, a father, a cousin, a sister, a brother, anyone you want to make breakfast basket idea for. Very simple, don't make it complicated. And you can see it comes out really, really nice. Present this to anyone, they will love it. And I hope the little creativity here, just something to make it presentable, to make it humor, and this is very good to make. Just simple things to put together. Don't forget to check out the other gift basket ideas that I have. I'll see you on there. Take care. Bye.